Peter Foley is an Australian politician. He has been a Labor Party member of the Victorian Legislative Assembly since 2007, representing Albert Park. He has been Minister for Mental Health, Minister for Equality and Minister for Creative Industries in the first and second Andrews ministry since December 2014 and Minister for Health and Minister for Ambulance Services since September 2020. Foley was born in Mornington. He was awarded a Bachelor of Arts in 1987 from Monash University and received a Master of Commerce in 2000 from the University of Melbourne. From 1988-2003, he worked with the Australian Services Union before becoming Chief of Staff to the State Minister for Agriculture. In 2006, he became Chief of Staff to the Minister for Police. In 2007, Foley was elected to the Legislative Assembly following his pre-selection as the Labor candidate for the seat of Albert Park in the by-election which resulted from Deputy Premier John Thwaites' resignation. With the defeat of the Brummy government in December 2010 and the appointment of Daniel Andrews as the new leader of the Labor Party, Foley became a parliamentary secretary to various opposition shadow ministers until in late 2013, Foley was appointed as Shadow Minister for Water, Arts, and Youth Affairs and Shadow Minister assisting the Leader of the Opposition on Equality. Following the election of the Andrews Labor government at the November 2014 election, Foley was appointed to Cabinet as Minister for Housing, Disability and Aging, Minister for Mental Health, Minister for Equality and Minister for Creative Industries. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.